I'm Todd Cooperrider with Esoteric, and welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question: how to make wheel cleaning easier. Wheel cleaning is not something that anybody likes doing. I know I don't like doing it. And if you let the stuff build up on your wheels, you're gonna have to spend a lot of time cleaning them up. You gotta use heavy cleaners and all. So how to make that easier? Well, how to make that easier is prepping them beforehand to make sure they're easier to clean afterwards, your maintenance aspect. And that could be a couple different things. That can be a dedicated wheel coating, high temp rated, so you can use it on wheels, you can use it on the calipers. It's not going to break it down. Or something simpler, if you're not into removing all the wheels, you can put a product on there like SuperSport from POLISHANGEL. I don't mean to turn this into a commercial for these products, but just using these as a couple of examples. Coating the wheels and maintaining the wheels with something that's designed for that purpose is going to make your maintenance much easier. I don't care if you're going to the track, if you've got a BMW or Mercedes that generates a tremendous amount of brake dust. By applying the right kind of products, then maintaining them, you don't have to use the heavy cleaners nearly as much, and you're not going to have to spend nearly as much time. It's not going to prevent brake dust from building up, but it makes the cleaning of it easier. So you want to learn more details about some products designed specifically for prepping those wheels. We're going to link you to a coating and a maintenance product here up next. So click on those videos and you'll learn a bit more.